Welcome back to Learning Keyboard with Demoz School of Music. Your teacher is Noel, a professional keyboardist and accomplished musician. Previously, we looked at the 4 basic chords in the C major scale. Be sure to watch it, if you haven't already.
Hello, welcome back to another episode. I'm Noel from Demoz School of Music. And today we're going to learn more on the chords, but this time we're going to learn the Roman numeral system. What is this Roman numeral system? It's the same Roman numerals that you've been using. Basically, it goes like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you basically just mark your notes on a scale. So, for example, let's just take a scale over here. Again, we're going to use the same scale we've always been using, the C major scale, right? So from the first, the number 1 Roman numeral goes to this 1 key, which is the root. What does the root mean? The beginning. Right? The next one gets a 2. Next gets a 3. Then get another 4. Then a 5, 6, 7. Right? And it's 1 again, not 8. Why? Because that is the root key. You're playing C again. Technically is the root, so it's 1 again. Now, how does the Roman system work here is that the 2 over here, that is the D, gets a small 2. The E gets a small 3. And then you have the F, which gets a big 2. And then you have the G, which gets the big 3. And then you have A, which gets the small 1, not the big one you give for C. Now, if you notice something here, is that the C and the A have a big 1 and small 1. And similarly, the F and the D have the big 2 and small 2. And the G and E have the big 3 and the small 3. Now, these are relatives. What do I mean by relatives? No, not your cousin, brother, and cousin, sister relatives, but in this sense, it's your chord relations. So, you can alternately, you can relate the C major to an A minor, the F major to a D minor, the G major to an E minor. More on this maybe in a future lesson, but for today I would just like to stick to this system, which gives you a rough idea of which one is a major in the scale and which one is a minor in the scale. So that's what we're going to use the Roman system here for. So when you see a big numeral, big Roman numeral, you're going to give it the major. It's a major in the scale. So here it's the C, the F, and the G. The smaller numerals, the 1, 2, and 3, you give it to the minors. So here in this case it is A minor with the small 1, D minor with the small 2, E minor with the small 3. Okay? Cool. So again, to just recap, just check this order out. The first big numeral is the 1 major. Then you get the 2 minor. You get the 3 minor. You get the 2 major, the 3 major, and then you get the 1 minor. Now, I've not spoken to you about the 7th note. For this lesson, I would like to leave that out because that's a diminished chord, which is a little more of an advanced thing. So let's just stick to the basic ones. Let's just go with the basic chords. Again, let's use the left hand as a leading roll over here. Just use your pinky finger to play the root of the chord. In this case, for the C major, it is C. For the D minor, it is a D. For the E minor, D, and so on. So let's go with the first major, the root, the D minor, the E minor, and the F, and the G, and the A minor, and then back. Doesn't that almost sound like a song to you? Right, that sounds nice. So just sit with your keyboard, just get a hang of these triads first, the basic triads, and use the scales. If you are finding it still difficult to hold down your triads, then remember to use the 1 and then add the 3, practice that. Add the 5th later on, practice that together. See, that fumble is all normal, right? Once you get a hang of that, then slowly build up your chord system. And this is how you use the Roman numeral system to find the chords, as in the major and minor, in a scale. So with that, I'll see you in the next one. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye. Take care.